Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I'll make a delicious pillow pastry with fresh black plum. So let's start baking, guys. Okay, first thing first is to remove the seed of the plums and then cut your plum into 4 pieces, and then I added 1 tablespoon of sugar and then we can set it aside. Okay, guys? We'll also be needing 1 cup of melted butter. So I just melted the butter and we're gonna use that as well. In terms of the pillow pastry, you can get it from the frozen section of your grocery store. In one box, they're about 17, but I'm going to use only 15 sheet. Okay, guys? Okay, make sure you thaw your pillow pastry, put it in the fridge, and then you can use it afterwards. Alright, guys? For this recipe, I'm using a glass baking dish, so you can use other kind of baking dish, whatever you have there. Alright, guys? Okay, so let's start to unroll our pillow pastry and we're going to start working on it. This is a very simple recipe and very easy to make, okay guys? I forgot, make sure you butter your baking dish. So put a generous amount of butter and then we can start working on folding the pillow pastry because this is where we're gonna put the pillow pastry after we folded it. Okay, so make sure you butter it properly. All right, guys? Okay, let's start to fold our pillow pastry. So you're just gonna line up like this and you start folding it like these ones, which is very easy. And then afterwards you can put it on your baking dish. So do the same thing with the rest of the other pillow pastry until you cover and fill up the baking dish. That's how simple it is and that's how easy it is. I guess this is a very fun kind of baking and I'm liking it. So imagine you just have to fold it this way and then you're creating a very delicious pastries afterwards. Isn't it easy? Okay guys, I'm done folding all the pillow pastry. So I did like 15 sheet of pillow pastry. So the next step is to add the butter. So you have to drizzle the pillow pastry with butter and then dump all the butter to this baking dish. Okay guys? Okay, the next step, get your plum. So let's insert the plum on the pillow pastries as you can see here. So in between. So we're going to put all the plum in between the pillow pastry. So the other thing, you can use fig if you have fig, but it's so hard to find fig here in Canada. It's very seasonal and not all the time you can find fig. I think you can also use berries if that's what you like, or if you have peaches, you can use that as well. And plum is so pretty once it get cooked and tastes good as well. So that's why I use the plum. And these are very delicious and easy to make kind of dessert. I'm going to make some custard as well, custard, and then we're going to cover it with custard afterward. All right, guys? Okay, for the custard, I'm using 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of sugar, and 1 cup of light cream. Okay, guys? Okay, let's start to beat our eggs. So we're going to whisk the egg and then we're going to add the sugar, the cream, the vanilla extract. That's basically the simple ingredients for the custard. And then we're going to pour it on the top of the baking dish that has the plum and the pillow pastry. And guys, this is so delicious. It turned out really so good. Okay, now we're ready to pour the custard into our baking dish. So make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. So we're going to bake these Phyllo pastries between 35 to 40 minutes. Alright guys? Okay, into the oven now between 35 to 40 minutes, okay? Yay, it's baked. It's beautiful. I'm so happy it's done. I can't wait to taste it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cool it first, and yeah, it turned out really nice. I was surprised. So I'm going to cool it, and I'm going to slice it and dust it with icing sugar so I can taste it afterwards. Alright guys, I hope you guys can try to make this Phyllo pastry with plum. It's very delicious, it's easy and inexpensive, and you can always add different kinds of fruits, whatever you like. But anyway, I like to say thank you to all of you, to all the viewers of this channel, to all the new subscribers, and to all the previous subscribers. Thank you very much, and I see you around on my next video. Take care everyone. Bye for now.